with everything else.
Your phone.
Okay, let's turn around. Good job. You don't like the sides, huh? Okay, ready? Let's turn around. Good job. Ready? Okay, there you go.
Oh, Emmy, are you doing okay?
It's okay.
You just need a picture here. You can't get out.
Good job. Whee! Yay!
Olin at 18 months, Emmy at 16 months.
Ooh, backing up. Ooh.
Supposed to beep, Olin.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
Oh, don't run over the baby.
Head.
Yeah.
Baby head.
Oh, there we go. There we go. All the sides are off now. Good job. Yay! Oh, sped up. Sped up.
Oh, careful. Careful.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Look at her laughing now.
I don't know where the camera is.
She's laughing. It looks painful.
Yay! Oh, Olin, watch your toes there, buddy. Whoa!
Oh, yeah,
Be
turn
careful.
around.
Oh.
Jeff, you're right there. Do your job. Jeez.
Hold on, let's turn around.
Yeah, let's turn around instead of rocking backwards.
Okay, this is awesome. Olin.
You guys got the future Danica Patrick right
I
there.
get like muscle aches in like the backs of my thighs from pushing
She
around.
likes to go so
I know
fast.
to say, how do you even off? Good job. Okay, slow down, stop. Good
Yeah.
job.
Let's turn around.
It's like it's her big brother.
Oh, isn't it?
Yep. Ready? Okay. There
Big
you
brother
go.
pushed
Yay! Oh, that was a cute one. Go ahead, smile.
Well,
Whoa.
no, keep coming this way.
Oh,
This
trying
way.
to turn around?
Yeah, keep coming this way. Oh yeah.
I think this file size is going to be a little big to email.
Dear, beat.
Oh.
How's your toe there? Good? All right.
Keep coming this way.
Jeez, you're giving her whiplash, buddy.
Turn it around.
Jill, what are you digging for? I'm guessing.
I'm
you
going to
can't-
hit the wall. You're going to be stuck. Go.
Okay, bud.
There you go. Oh, yeah, it's kind of hard to turn, isn't it? You okay? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa.
Don't elbow her in the head. Here,
What's wrong, huh? Wanna turn
here, I'll help turn it. Ready? Push this way.
I'm pushing it.
Go stand up.
Yeah, see?
Good job.
Oh, shoot.
Right. Go this way. Woo! Stop. All right, let's turn around.
So let's turn around and he says no.
You like how it's hard to
This
turn it
is
around?
awesome. You need to come over every day.
You guys almost got your first roadkill. Whoa.
As everything goes through the glass cabinet.
Hold on, let's turn around.
Look at Emerson's like, yeah, I did not like that one. All right, there you go.
Hold on, where's that blanket?
Oh, you can sit on her lap.
You want to sit down with her?
Hold on.
Okay, I don't know if you'll fit there. Okay. All right!
Yay!
Get your hands off
Get
the
your
wheel.
hands out the wheels, buddy.
Here. There you go. Hold on to her feet. There we go.
I gotta get on the other side now.
Yay! Yay! Pick your feet up. Yay!
Hold her feet right there, buddy.
Yay! Now
Here,
she's
take a picture.
All right, I've had enough.
Hold on. Hold on.
All right.
Okay,
off
hold on
you
to her
go.
feet. Hold on. Here you go. Hold on to the feet. Yay!
Wee.
Hold their kids.
I just seen that. Here we are. Like, wait. You grab a foot. There you go. Get down.
Oh.
All right.
Good job.